this video, I'm going to do an A and a B in 1-point perspective. So I have my horizon line there, my vanishing point there. The first thing I want to do is to make my letters as block letters. I like to start by just doing a box to start. Sometimes this is more helpful. Now that I have that box, we're making the front of the letter. And then inside triangle, and this stuff can be erased. Okay, so there's my A. For a B, come over here. It's a little wonky. Centers on my B. Erase anything extra. So I have my A and B as block letters. At this point, we want to extend them to the vanishing point by taking all the corners out. If you run into a letter, stop, but just know that it would extend out there. Here's one I see underneath. This does run into the leg of the A, so I can stop there. This little corner here, you'll see a little bit of it. Now, because this A is slanted here, your A off in the distance will also be slanted. So both of your letters will eventually end at the same place. So before I finish the A, let me go ahead and do the B. Out to here, come out to the edge of the bump on the B, come out to the very edge of the bump over here, and then these two lines you'll see a little bit of, not very much at all. To finish the A, I'm going to line my ruler up and scoot it out however far I want it to be. Flat here, so it has to be flat out here. Everything in the background should be parallel to what's going on in the foreground. This is a little bit too, not quite enough space to finish it. If it were a very skinny A, I might see some stuff in there, but for now, let's just do that. And then this B, I'm going to match with the A. And then as soon as I come to where this will curve over, this in the distance would also curve over. These areas in here are a little bit too angled to be able to see, but if it was a very skinny B, you'd end up kind of finishing the inside like this. So if you wanted a very skinny B, you would see those. For the B I just did, you don't need those. Erase everything you don't need, all these extra lines to the vanishing point, and then there are your letters in 1-point perspective.